From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live at 3.
Welcome back. National Public Health Week is next week, and we have Dr. Cynthia Ball with UT Tyler here to tell us what they have planned. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so can you tell me why National Public Health Week started?
So National Public Health Week is to raise people's awareness of what public health is. And so it's the organized efforts to prevent disease, prolong life, and promote health, because we don't want to just prolong life, we want you to live a long, healthy, happy life. And so we do that through various activities, and so we wanted to promote that, and that's kind of how it started.
Yes, ma'am. So what are some of the primary objectives of Public Health Week events?
All right, so our first event is the mayor's kickoff, where he's going to announce some of the activities, and the theme for National Public Health Week this year is We're All Public Health, and it's really appropriate. And so one of the things that we did is we did an essay contest across all the colleges at UT Tyler to let them tell us about how their profession, whether it be engineering or whatever, promotes public health. And so the mayor's going to announce the winners of that. He's going to announce the events that we're going to have, and we're going to have a walk through the Rose Garden, which I can't wait for.
So can you give us some details about the presentation on food and nutrition, and including speakers and what they focus on in their talk?
So we're going to have the dietitian from the food bank, the chef, and then one of the physicians at UT Tyler is going to be there, and they're going to talk about healthy options for eating. And what's going to be nice about the presentation is they're going to have a demonstration where they're going to actually cook, and they're going to use some of the things that are available that you can get through the food bank. So it makes it accessible.
I like that. Are you going to be out there cooking for people?
I'm not. So that's one of the events I'm letting somebody else who's got better expertise than me do.
Cook a little bit. But so who is Dr. Kenneth H. Cooper, and what is the significance of his presentation?
So Dr. Cooper is, gosh, one of the pioneers in reducing risk factors for cardiovascular disease, and his specific area of focus has been aerobics, and he is world known, and a lot of the stuff he's done has been working with high performance athletes, but making aerobic exercise important, accessible, and increasing people's awareness of how it's an important risk thing to reduce risk for cardiovascular disease. We cannot wait to have him. He's like 92, still going strong, and he's going to be doing our grand rounds. We can't wait.
Yes, ma'am. And so what kind of activities and features can attendees, get at the health fair on April 6th?
So at the health fair, we're going to have various vendors. In particular, we're going to have the School of Pharmacy there, and you can bring like a bag with all your medicines in it, and they can do a review of your medication with you. We're going to have some of our resources through Community Health. They're going to have tables there. My department, Occupational Environmental Medicine, has one of the national ag centers. It's funded by NIOSH that covers a 6-state region that focus on outreach and prevention for farmers, fishermen, and forestry workers. And so we're going to have our table there talking about some of the risk factors for those types of workers and things that you can do to prevent that.
And what other kind of little bit of events are y'all going to have during this National Public Week?
So at that health fair as well, we're going to have like food trucks and yoga. And the school just started a community garden this past fall at UT Tyler, which I'm part of. And we are going to have an open house for the garden. We're actually going to have a garden work day that day, so people can kind of come and go while we're working in the garden, take a tour of the garden, and see what we're doing there. We're trying to promote health and wellness for our own faculty and staff and community as well.
Alrighty, thank you so much for coming in and telling us all about that. For more information on National Public Health Week at UT Tyler, you can go to the website right here on your screen.